Now we are going to change the polygon features. Polygon features also namely area or region in other software like Map Info Professional. So this is the untitled project in QGIS. So this is a fresh QGIS canvas. So we need to add some layer here. I have view package here, and I also have shape file here. So maybe we will use this subdistrict. Okay. Okay, there are two ways to do this. First, we can double click this layer. Okay, or we can right click here, click properties. It's the same dialog pop up here. So we click symbology and we click here symbol. And there are two ways also to change the color. First, we point at this small arrow here. This is the apparent. After we click the arrow, and second we click this bar, this box, and there. Okay, let's try one by one. First, the arrow here. Okay, just click, hold, click, and drag, and you can see the color is changing here. As we move our cursor, we drag it, click, hold, and drag. Or maybe this time we want to use yellow, pale yellow maybe. Okay. And second, what about the stroke? Okay, the stroke we can make it darker, maybe red, bright here. Okay, then we can click apply. Okay, while we click apply, this apply is not closing this dialog, but the changing here is showing in our canvas without we are closing the symbology or the layer properties dialog. So it's very useful, like print preview. Okay, so click apply there. And next we will try this box. Click here and click, hold, and drag. Look at the current here. So there. So we will use, if we hit OK, we will use this current color. Okay. So we click OK, we use this blue color. And because this is a dark one, then for stroke one, we will use the light one, maybe yellow, or yep, the bright one like that. No, the white one, where is the white one? Okay, let's try this and click apply. Yeah, it works. Okay, that's the first way to change the color of the polygon type, polygon features. Okay, we can click OK. The second is we can use this. Look at this. Okay, so what is the difference? So when we click this or the layer styling panel, it directs to the dialog directly to the dialog. But when we double click it, we need to select the symbology. Maybe when we open this layer properties dialog, maybe it shows the information tab first, or maybe in the field first. So we need to click the symbology. So I think that takes time. But if we click this directly, it will direct us to the dialog of layer styling. Okay, so let's do it again. Look, it's yellow. Why? Because this live update. Okay, every time we change it, every time we click and drag over this area, so the polygon will change automatically or lively. Okay, if we uncheck this live update and we click here or nothing happened, we must click apply first. Okay, it's up to you if you want to click live update or not. Okay, so I think the dot one, yeah, or maybe the light one, I think. Yeah, the dark one, and the stroke will be, oh no, I mean this is the light one, then this is the dark one, like, so it contrasts. Okay, so because it live update, so we don't have to hit apply anymore. Okay, I think that's how we change the color of a polygon features. Thank you.